So this is just a quick little video here, benching for the Country Cup. I've got the R9 Pro Duo, which is a dual GPU Fury. You can see it's got 3 8-pins, got the XSPC full cover water block. I've got the 3900X in rather than the 5900X because you can't use hardware that's come out after the competition started, and the 5000 series came out after it had already started. We're using the Patriot Viper memory again. I've got it at 3800 C14 with similar timings to what I had it on before, and I'm just running 3DMark Time Spy, as you can probably see there. It's at 1145 on the core and 500 on the memory. You can't really overclock the memory on these. Time Spy isn't actually for the hardware bot Country Cup. This is for just rankings, but I had it all set up, so I thought I might as well do it anyway because I haven't got a score with the Pro Duo in Time Spy that's valid. I only did Fire Strike and Fire Strike Extreme, Fire Strike Ultra. So yeah, and they were with the 3800X rather than the 3900X, so this score won't be optimal because the 5900X is a bit faster, but it's still getting pretty decent scores. The GPU gets around 11,000 and the CPU's getting, I think, 15,000-ish, so yeah, it's not too bad. So you can see there it reached a maximum of 25 degrees on the GPU and 70 on the CPU. And that time we scored 11,555, so just over 11,100 on the graphics, and like I said, 15,000 on the CPU score, which yeah, is pretty decent. I'll keep going up and see if I can get any more out of it. I'll just show you what the CPU's at here. You can see we're at 4.45 gigahertz, 1.35 volts, reached about 70 degrees, and you can see the Pro Duo here was at 1145 on both the GPUs. Now I've also found that when you're overclocking the GPU, if you put all of the states to the same speed and voltage, it does get a bit higher of a score than if you leave these all on auto and only do the end one sometimes. So that's a bit of a tip if you're running a dual GPU card like this. I'm going to go to 1150 next, and we'll see what score it gets. So unfortunately it crashed with the GPU at 1150, so I've gone back to 1145 on the GPUs, and I'm going to try 4.5 gigahertz on the CPU and see if it'll pass the CPU test.